ನ್ಯೂಸ್8 ಕನ್ನಡ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಸಂಚಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳು.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಎಸ್ಜಿಬಿಐಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದ ಬಿಜಿಎಸ್ ಜಿಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ನೂತನ ತರಗತಿಗಳ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ ಮಠದ ಪೀಠಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾನಂದನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸುಲಭ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ, ನಿರಂತರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಗುರುಭಕ್ತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳ ನಿಗ್ರಹ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನತ್ತ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದರು. ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಮಾನವನ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಬಳಕೆಯಾಗಬೇಕು. ಮಾನವನ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆಗೆ ಹಿನ್ನಡೆಯಾಗುವಷ್ಟು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂತಿಗೆ ಹಾಳುಗೆಡುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಸಂಸದ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಕನಸು ಹಾಗೂ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳು ಹಿರಿದಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಎಂದರು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿವಿ ಕುಲಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭಗವಾನ್ ವಿಸಿ, ಬಿಜಿಎಸ್ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ, ಜಿಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೋಹನ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ರಾವ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಿಜಿ ಜಾನ್ಸನ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಪೋಷಕರು ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ, ಬಾಯಿಲಿ ಸಂಭವಿಸು ಇಂದೆನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ, ಭವವಿದೂರ ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ, ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ.
Energetic, enthusiastic, gentleman to the core. And in his presence I am telling, sir, this is true. If anybody, if science is there in it, and if we satisfied, we are not going to ask how you have spent that amount. Just I am asking you only one line, the above said amount we have utilized for the science purpose. I will enlarge it, I will release the amount. So this is the thing actually. And here, medical colleges are many, as Dr. Ramana Garu pointed out. We need your services. Don't feel bad or any other else. MD means again, MBBS means again you have to go for MD, MD means DMD, means PhD, then DSc like that.
Especially when I know that Puja Swamiji will be attending the program. I have not studied in this institution, but the kind of love and affection that Swamiji has showered on me, it is unbelievable. I am truly fortunate. I don't know what good deeds I have done in my earlier life. I have been extremely fortunate to get his blessings in every aspect of my life. I once again thank Swamiji for the great amount of love and affection that he showers. Friends, they have given me a very difficult job. I was supposed to be the first speaker when your attention was fresh. But now I have been asked to be the penultimate speaker. There is few jobs in the world more difficult than this, to address a hall full of young, enthusiastic but equally impatient students after 4 speeches. I will try to keep my remarks very brief because not very long ago I was there and I know the itch that you are now facing to just run away. First of all, I want all of you to recognize how fortunate and how lucky all of you are to be sitting where you are currently sitting. BGS is one of the best institutions for medical sciences in the country, and you have earned a place to be a part of this institution. Today is your freshers' day in the truest sense of the word. It's a day where you are beginning a new chapter in your life. It's a day where you are committing to a few more years of continuous learning. It's a day where you are resolving to unlearn some things that you have learned in the past, learn new things that you don't know, and most importantly, mold yourself to be a better human being. So to all the students here for taking this first step towards a better life, a more hopeful life, and a more successful life for yourselves and the country. I wish all of you the very best on your Freshers' Day. Friends, three very important but very, I wouldn't say advice because I am not old enough to advise you, but three lessons that I have learnt in my life which I think will hold you in good stead. Whichever field of human endeavor that you will want to pursue in your life.
On the day of induction program of BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences, dental and allied health institutions courses, I submit my humble pranams to the divine soul of His Holiness Jagadguru, Padma Bhushan Dr. Sri Bal Gangadhar Nath Mahaswamiji. My special greetings to Sri Prakash Nath Swamiji, who has been taking care of all these institutions as a managing director, trustee, and secretary of us. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅತಿಥಿ, ಯುವಕ, member of parliament, holding many positions at national and international level, representing our country and the government, none other than Mr. Tejasvi Surya. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಈಸ್ ಎ RCS reader, eloquent speaker, internationally acclaimed speaker from our country, representing different committees, and who has brought great laurel and greatness through his presence in all such committees. I was dreaming to have a new age politician as a statesman to our country. To greater extent, I believe Mr. Tejasvi Surya has been realizing my aspiration for which I was designed for. Today he is in midst of us. Whenever there is a call from our trust and the matter, without second thought, irrespective of his scheduled programs, always he makes up his mind to come and to be with us, at the same time to give a beautiful talk the way how he has done today. Of all our parents and the students and the institution for having made your presence for the day. Dr. M.V. Raghavendra Rao, though he has started his speech humbly, with his vast experience to his credit, he came out with beautiful thoughts wonderfully. Had he been given much time, you could have given brighter ideas for you all to carry home. Nevertheless, we wish to make use of his service, knowledge service, as time rose down. So thank you very much for having made your presence today, dear Dr. Raghavendra ji. Dr. Venkatramana is here. He is not new to our system, rather he is not a guest at all. Till the last breath of my Pujya Guru Sri Dr. Balganga Swamiji is the one who took care of Pujya Guruji's health. ಗುರುಜಿಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೆಟ್ಟಾಗ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. So much of faith and trust Pujya Guruji had. So Dr. Venkatramana ji, in the very beginning itself you have given wonderful sublime ideas through your talk. Thank you very much for it. Bhagwan came as a vice chancellor, he delivered the things because of his program, it is V. Radha who pushed him out from this program because he has a lot of responsibility to take care. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು 4 highly elevated and learned speakers, I was telling Tejasvi that don't you think that instead of induction program for our children, rather induction is happening our parents? Our ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, don't you right, take care of that ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, having not emphasized much on the parents, he spoke so well for our children. Children are going to be with us for next 5-6 years. Though parents are going to visit the campus and the institution quite often, students have to bear with all our words, speeches, talks, seminars, courses, conferences for next 4-5 years. As everyone has mentioned, you are quite lucky for having been placed in this campus, which is very difficult to get the seat in the college.